recently sent bulk WhatsApp messages to all my students and parents for fee payment reminder. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also send bulk messages to all your students. And yes, you can try this for free today. For that, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and you also have to open your dashboard. And once you're on the dashboard, make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. It is very important to create this broadcast messaging. And further, if you haven't added your WhatsApp number till now, a video tutorial dedicated towards how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and add your WhatsApp number. After you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you're on this broadcast, click on this add broadcast button. Once you click on this add broadcast button, you have to select the broadcast type and then enter the broadcast name. So select the type as broadcast campaign, and then for the name, I am going to keep it as students over here. You can customize this according to your own choice. Now it is asking me for the contact list. So over here, you have to select the contact list to whom you want to send the messages. But for that, before you have to create a contact list, right? For that, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section, and from here you can create the contact list. You have to go towards this add contact button and add the contacts from here. If you want to upload bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts and simply get your CSV file and add that CSV file right over here. All the contact information in your CSV file will be added as contacts right over here in Pabbly Chatflow too. If you want to learn how to get CSV file, or if you want to learn more about Pabbly Chatflow in detail, for this contact section, a video tutorial dedicated only on this contact section is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and learn properly how to create contact list. Then you have to select the contact list over here and move on further. You can select multiple contact lists too. Now after you select the contact list, it is asking me to select the message type. So if you want to select the regular message, you can select it and simply enter the regular message right over here. But if you want to send template message, you have to go towards this pre-approved template message and select your WhatsApp template over here. But before that, you have to create template. For that, from the left hand of the side, go on this template list, and from here you can go on this add template button and create your own template. I have already created my template, so I'm just going to use the same template. If you want to learn more about this template section, a video tutorial dedicated towards same is also attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. Okay, so now just select the WhatsApp template right over here and click on this done. Once you select the WhatsApp template, it is asking for the username and the phone number. So over here, before sending this template to multiple students and parents, you have to try this first, that is it the correct message or not. For that, what you can do is you can simply enter the username and the mobile number to check this broadcast. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how we're going to do that. For that, you just have to enter the username like this and the broadcast and click on this send test message. A test broadcast message will be sent and you can check it. If it is good, you can move on further. What you have to do next is schedule this broadcast. So you have two options: schedule the broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this broadcast instantly, click on this no send instantly and then add broadcast, and this broadcast will be sent instantly. If you want to schedule this for later, click on this yes schedule for later and select the date and time right from here. Make sure that you select a future date and time otherwise the broadcast is going to be sent instantly if you choose a past one. So as you can see, I am just going to schedule this for this date and time and click on this add broadcast button. Once we're going to add broadcast, yes, you can see this is scheduled for 8th of April 5 p.m. So yes, and now once this broadcast is going to be sent, I can also view the statistics of the same, the sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. And further, if a broadcast is failed, I can also resend it right from here. So yes, you can see this is how you can send bulk messages to all your students, notify them about the payment reminder or any another important event occurring. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more automation tips, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.